Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, October 28th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. Happy birthday today to Avery Brooks and Miss Morris. We hope you have a great day. And now it's time for our joke of the day.
Joke of the day, joke of the day. It's a party animal joke of the day. Woo! Hi, party animals. I have a joke for you. What has four wheels and flies? A garbage truck. And it's a party animal joke of the day. Woo!
A couple important reminders. Please remember to wear your mask properly each day to stay safe and healthy. Make sure it's completely covering your nose and mouth at all times. Remember to wash your hands frequently throughout the day. Wash your hands before and after eating. Wash your hands after you use the bathroom. And remember to use the hand sanitizing stations that are located throughout the building. Also remember, Huskies, when you're walking in the hallway in a line, to be social distancing. Did you know that today is National Chocolate Day? Yummy! National Chocolate Day is October 28th, and it recognizes one of the world's favorite tastes. While many specific chocolate-related holidays exist throughout the year, National Chocolate Day celebrates all things chocolate. Look whose class was caught being their best last week on Remote Wednesday. It's Miss Morris's class. Who will Mrs. Harris find today being their best during Remote Wednesday? I hope I find you. Remember your schedule today for Remote Wednesday. We start promptly today at 8:45 with morning meeting. Literacy block is from 9:15 to 10:15. You'll have a break at 10:15 to 10:30. 10:30 to 11:30 is your math block, and 11:30 to 11:45 is closing meeting. Make it a great day, Huskies.